Hello guys, good morning. It's Bell here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how black soap is made. Now, the black soap originated from the Yoruba women in Nigeria who call it osedudu, which means black soap, and they were mainly known as market women who used to sell tomatoes and pepper, and they took this recipe along with them across West Africa, and now the soap has gone global. With every recipe, there's going to be variations and tweaks to it per the individual making it. And so when it came to Ghana, the Ghanaian women made a little bit of alteration or variation to the black soap, which they call alata samini, because the women who used to sell tomatoes and pepper were referred to as alata, and samini means soap here in Ghana. And it's so beautiful and so amazing for so many skin concerns, from acne to eczema to hyperpigmentation to skin discoloration. The black soap is amazing. What makes it so unique is the fact that it has been used for centuries by the African people, and now the world is getting to know about black soap. The unique thing about black soap is that it is made from 100% natural ingredients. There are no chemicals, there are no additives. The process is purely handmade with love. That is the one amazing thing about the black soap. It lathers well, it gives you flawless skin. Guys, I can't wait to see how this process is made. Let's head over there and I'll show you from start to finish. Let's go. Just a quick one before we get started. The making of the African black soap starts out with the cocoa pod powder, which is actually mixed with water. Now, this cocoa pod has actually been roasted on fire and it's now in powder form, and that's what you see here in this bowl. It has simply been mixed with water, and this will be added periodically into your boiling oil of choice. Okay, so this is the first process. When you're making the black soap, you pour your cocoa pod in oil and then you cook it like this for up to 30 or 40 minutes, even 1 hour, and you have to make sure you're using a lot of fire. It needs a lot of heat to really cook very well. The black soap, because when it starts to boil, it starts to rise, so you need to keep stirring the black soap to make sure that it's cooking very properly. And then you raise it to check. Okay, so that's the first stage of the black soap. next stage is to pound it in this mortar when it's ready. So it's literally a very simple process, but it's not easy. It looks easy, but it's not easy. You have to pound this until it's ready to go to the next stage, and you do this for a while. Mostly men do this part because it's not easy at all. This is the next stage. After pounding, it has to be molded in ash, and then it's brought to the next boiling or cooking point, and you leave it on fire like this for it to cook for a while. And then you see this part starts to form. As you can see, it's really hot. So this is the black soap here. You basically cook this till it's finished. So this is how you get it to the powder form. You break it, you separate it, it's quite hot. This is what you use to get the black soap. And then you let it dry like this. You spread it out and let it dry.
Aside the popular black soap, we also have the white soap, and it's essentially the same exact thing as black soap. The only difference with this one is the fact that it's not double boiled. So this process doesn't go through the boiling twice. You just boil it once. And with this particular white soap, once it's ready, it's time to mold, because once it cools down, it cannot be molded. That is the only difference between the white and the black soap. And a lot of people prefer to use this one because they have maybe very sensitive skin and they react to the black soap. So it's essentially the same thing. It goes through the exact same process, and all the ingredients are natural and they are the same. The only difference is it's not boiled twice.
This is the final product after it has been molded. This is what your black soap would look like. It comes in varying sizes, so this is just one of the many sizes. If you would like to place your order for bulk purchases and everything, I will link my website below so you can do that. These are amazing, guys. You really need to try them out. Wow, I learned so much from the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two about black soap, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share. Please, we want to hit 5k subscribers, so make sure you join your new village girl and subscribe to the family to see more amazing content. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.